Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa ulit tayo ng Royal Bibingka but with variation. So yung gagawin ko, some of my subscriber requested na gagawa daw ako ng ibang flavor of Royal Bibingka. So nagawa ko na tong video na to. You can check to my link yung full information ng paggawa ng Royal Bibingka. So for now, yung mga paper lean, hindi ko na i-discuss kasi nasa first video ko ng Classic Royal Bibingka. So for this time, gagawa tayo with matcha flavor. So ito na po. For the matcha Royal Bibingka, ito yung mga ingredients. So glutinous rice flour, and then coconut milk, white sugar, whole eggs, around 5 pieces, large or XL. And then this is fresh milk, melted unsalted butter, and then matcha powder, pure matcha powder, not flavored matcha powder, and then salt. Sa pagmix ng Royal Bibingka, let's add in our dry ingredients first, like our sugar and glutinous, and then our matcha powder, then our salt. So ang bango niya, amoy matcha. Ayan, nangangamoy na yung ating Royal Bibingka. So imimix ko muna using our wire whisk para mabilis nating haluin mamaya. Bango po. Mukhang exciting yung flavor na ating gagawin for Royal Bibingka. So ayan, once incorporate na yung ating dry ingredients, let's add in our wet ingredients. Next is our whole eggs. Okay, once nawala ng buo-buo or lumpses sa ating Royal Bibingka butter, it's time to add in our melted unsalted butter. Ayan. Para mas lalong mag-smooth po siya. So that's it. Ready to bake na ang ating matcha Royal Bibingka with our 2 ounce muffin pan. Okay, yung nakikita nyo to na parang plastic, this is paper lin, yung pangbalot ng longganisa. You can order Lazada. So lalagyan na natin yung muffin pan. So puno dapat kasi hindi ito umaalsa, okay? Yan. So habang ginagawa nyo na to, dapat preheated na ang inyong oven for about 350 Fahrenheit para mabilis. Kasi kapag naglagay ka na sa muffin pan, so matagal kapag hindi pa kayo nag-preheat ng oven. While preparation, dapat inuuna nyo is oven to preheat. Para pagkatapos ng preparation, ayan, salang na kaagad. Preheated na ang oven. So you can use a gas or electric oven, same temperature, 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, I'm going to add in with grated cheese on top. So you can use cheddar cheese with this. Masarap po siya. Ito regular cheese like cheesy, queso, and Eden cheese ang nilalagay natin. So cheddar, parmesan, it's up to you. What kind of cheese do you want to add on top? Okay, everyone, ipapasok na natin siya sa oven. So, see you later after 30 minutes. So, pag gas oven, hindi pantay. So, dito yung unang naluluto sa akin kasi aral ko na ang gas oven ko dito. Kaya ginagawa ko, hinuhugod ko na tong una, then second, pag ganun, pag ganun, pag ganun. Yun. So, maaaral nyo naman, unlike ang electric, kasi kwan po yun, with fan, even yung heat niya kaya pantay, hindi na kailangang baliktarin. Ito naman, dito ang naunang nagbra-brown on top. So, after 30 minutes, let's check our matcha royal bibingka. Ito na yung ating na-bake na royal bibingka. Pinapalamig na lang po siya, then ready to box na po mamaya ang ating finished product. Okay, after cooling down them, it's time to put in a box. So this is customized box. Nagpagawa po talaga kami. So 8 pieces per box. I sell this one 200 pesos. For 8 pieces, 25 po isa. Ayan. Okay, everyone, ito na yung ating finished product, our Matcha Royal Bibingka. Hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more video updates.